You can connect multiple Airbnb accounts to Guesty and manage all of the accounts in one place. First, make sure you're signed in to the relevant account on Airbnb and that the email address connected to the account was validated. Now, start by choosing Growth Mode, then Distribution, and then Airbnb. Here, click Add Account and then Get Started, and Airbnb will open in a new tab to request approval for the connection with Guesty. Check this box to agree to Airbnb's terms of service and click Allow. Back in Guesty, create your own integration email address with a prefix of your choice. This address will serve as your new login email address for Airbnb and the address that guests will receive messages from. Next, choose a unique nickname for your Airbnb account that does not appear in either your Airbnb or Guesty accounts, and add your company name if relevant. You can also add a forwarding email address to allow any correspondence from Airbnb, such as notifications and updates, to appear in your Guesty inbox. When ready, click Next, and that's it. Your account will now appear right here, and once the connection is approved within up to 24 hours, its status will change from pending to connected. You can always add more Airbnb accounts by clicking Add Account and following these steps from the top. To complete the process, make sure to sync your listings in the account by clicking here, and here to ensure all the listings are shown. Then click here next to each listing to import the listings data from Airbnb, or to link a listing created in Guesty, which you can learn how to do in our Help Center. Choose Import, give the listing a name, choose whether it should be active or not, and click Import. Within up to 24 hours, the status of the listing will change to Connected, and the listing and reservations data will be imported into Guesty. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.